In Malawi, in next elections, we want to see some changes. Me as a Malawian, because where we're coming from, something we're not okay. Yeah, so now this is what we're expecting.
Yeah, anyway, that's why I ran away from Malawi, because it's like economic is so not, it's bad. It's like it's worse there. I don't like it. More for that, that's why me I'm crying as long as I'm in South Africa. But now Malawians, they're too much related to them. They're crying too much there. I mean, I don't like this government. It's fine.
My views is I want Peter Mutharika to be the president of Malawi, because since when I was in Malawi, that time Peter Mutharika, everything was going well, but now you can see they close the ShopLite and they close other shops in Malawi. So us, like our parents there in Malawi, are suffering in terms of currency. Even us, when we try to send the money to our country, our parents are complaining too much that the country is not good.
Of course, me, I want to see some changes in our country. Like our president, they're saying something a lot that they're gonna change, but they didn't. So of course, when we change our leader, maybe it can be better.
Yeah, I want to see nice elections, no fighting, because people now they're expecting a lot. There is too much. It's talking about the citizens. Some people they think maybe the president who are ruling now will be out. Some people they say no, they must continue. So I just want these elections.
We know that Peter Mutharika was there years ago. Do you think it's right for him to come back as a president?
I love it. Bring him back. He's the one, most. You have to come back. What is like that one is too much. He's economist. That one. You have to come back, most.
Yes, he is. He's a good person, and we are expecting the good things from him. Like business as young generations to develop like our country, like nice roads, and to renew some resources that were destroyed before. Yeah, this is what we are expecting.
In time of Peter Mutharika, and this time around, we have some, we see some changes, like, but it's not good at all. Because they promise us a lot of things, but we thought like maybe they can manage to do it. In order, we believe in it, we trusted. Then until maybe these 5 years is going to the end, but they didn't do anything good. So for me, I think he's not going to be like a leader, so he's not going to win. I can say so.
Peter Mutharika, he managed the road as he promised. He promised to build schools, the technical colleges. He managed it. He also provide some bursaries to students. All of them he managed it, but it was just misunderstanding for citizens. That's why we choose the wrong person that time.
You know, Peter, he's professor. I say professor because you know what people need. Yeah. In our Malawi, it depends means. You see, without means, always be served. Yeah, but Pete is the next one. Always like everybody in Malawi like Pete.
Let's talk about Joyce Banda. Your views on her coming back as the president?
Okay, anyway, it's fine. She can come back, but more. I like this in Mamadala. Peter Mutharika, the one who can bring back life. Malawi is going to boost Malawians. That's why we are failing to go back to Malawi, because this one is no, I don't like this one. For me,
in terms of Joyce Banda, he was a nice president, but for me, I prefer to vote Peter Mutharika, because Peter Mutharika is a good president. No, I don't like for me, it's like I have to vote to Peter Mutharika. That's it.
Joyce Banda, yeah. Also, she was a good ruler, but you know, sometimes we think that maybe women can't rule a nice country like always we expect.
As my wage, I voted maybe the president that's gonna win. But for me, as I told you, maybe Peter must win. But I just want maybe to change, like to reduce the prices of things and many more like that. And also we had the challenges like maybe lack of job and the lack of good roads and maybe lack of good school, you know, almost a lot of things. So maybe the president going to win, I think it must fix it on us.
I can tell Mr. Chakwera that okay, what he's going to do again in the following elections, he must change the things that maybe we saw bad in the past, and he must bring some jobs to the people. He must bring the curses in the country.
In Malawi, there's hunger. People, they are suffering in terms of food. They're suffering in terms of a hospital. There's a lot of things happening there in Malawi. So if like we elect, we choose Peter Mutharika, we know that he's going to bring all things together.
As for now, we have a problem of
na Malawi anzanga ine mulakatuli mwini mbumba Dickson Kasongo sinimaopa sinimatekeseka ndipo sinzopa munthu ngati mufuna kupha atatu wa number 3 ndimati muphe ineyo ndabwera panopa patachitika kafukufuku woyenerera usati kafukufuku wachamba amene anachitika ucha nkhani wa Agnes Katengeza ndi nzimayi amene amagwira ntchito ku Reserve Bank amene anaphedwa kafukufuku apeza kuti anapha ndi achina Richard Chimwendo Banda ndi Chakwera. Nkhani yake ndio nina kuti ndalama zimene akupanga print za fake zina zopanda manambala Agnes Katengeza analonjeza kuti athakupanga report kwa IMF kapena kwa World Bank zimene anaona kuti plan yawo selepheke fa cha munthu mmodzi ndi anamupha. Atamupha anakamugwira mchimwene wake amene amakhala naye atifa anapezeka ndi phone ma perfume izithuzi jamwazona phone ma perfume chikato ndizopanda ntchito ino Agnes Katengeza anali munthu ogwira ntchito ku Reserve Bank inayi munthu ya ndrama kwambiri anali magari motapa mwamba kodi munthu ungamuphe mbale wako kuti utenge perfume ungamuphe mbale wako amene alolemera kuti ukatenge phone yake is it true mbale wako amene amakhala naye limodzi amene amansamala kwa Katengeza ko ngati kunali chikhwaya chinali ichochi chimene chimatika pakagwa zovuta bokosi chimagula chokha manda chimawaka chokha chicho simechita chokha angamuphe kuti afuna atengere phone inu nyamata mamanga yo muntulusa MCP akanakhala kuti iyo chafuna aphe mlongo wake akanatenga gari moto icha kapena akanagulisa nyumba mwanivu inu mukati anate kuitenga ma perfume uzophodera kumaso nyamata amene zimene zazitani nazo ndikuuza ndi zimene zimachitika ku police eti ku police ukafika kuli playala ndi amakupana akakupana ziwalo zobisika iwe lokha kuti suna chimwe umaulula kuti bola wangu ndi CF kumakhala kupha ndiapereka chisanzo nina kuti zibambo nyamata na wake amagulisa ma ice kulilongwe anasowa atasowa anthu anamugwira nzake amene anaonana naye komaliza kuti iwe ulula ndipo anamupana zapansi iye uja analula kuti ndaphadi ndini patathaza ka 4 munthu uja anapezeka kuti anabwera wophedwa uja atamufunsa nale kuti anatali ku Mozambique koma uja analula kuti anapha chifukwa chani ku Mozambique ku polisi kuli nkhaza anthu amangoulula kuti bola ntani kodi bola ndisiye MCP mwaphanoka munthu lero mukumanga mwamanga nyamata yomuti anapha mulongo wake akubanja abwera unena kuti ayi munthu sanaphe mulongo wake titakhala pasi mbale otatamwalira zinthu zina zoti nagawana ndiye iye sanaphe mwakangwiraso mwati hey waso napha nawo akubanja aluza mbale wawo mwamangaso azibale yawo awiri zona mukopa kuti ngati simmanga munthu muzifusidwa kuti munthu amene anafa bwanji